Okay, so to get to that level 8, I want you to add musical devices such as ostinatos, create a stylish composition with a secure sense of genres. Well, the second part we kind of have done as we go. So in order for it to be stylish and a sense of genre, it means it has to have a clear style. So for example, if I added loads of orchestral violins and strings and then put like some synthesizers and added like jazzy saxophone, it might be a bit all over the place. I've stuck to a kind of classical instrumentation from the Baroque period where we had flutes, trumpets and strings. Okay, if you did yours with a more modern sound, maybe you used electric guitars, bass guitars and drum kits, again that all fits together. So it's by stylish and secure sense of genre, it needs to kind of all fit together. Now, an ostinato is a short repeated pattern. So I'll show you how you might use an ostinato. You could do a melodic ostinato. So I could, for example, go to my strings, maybe pick something like a harp. So that is a short repeated pattern. It's just ostinato. It's like 2 notes that just repeat. So something like that, I could come in maybe halfway through. So something like that would be a melodic ostinato. Also, we could do a rhythmic ostinato, so like percussion or drum kit. But we'd want, again, something that kind of fits. Okay, that's a bit electronic. So what else have we got? Let's go for a drum kit. To just get a normal kind of snare sound. So that kind of snare, unless it's classic rock. There we go. So we could also have a snare, so I'll just play that so you can see what that sounds like. So a drum thing like that. So I'm gonna add the drum thing, a drum ostinato, and I'm gonna make it start from bar 5. I'm gonna call this snare drum. We could also add some cymbals and things as well. Okay. Now that was tricky because I did not have my metronome on. And then it's harder to stay in time, so I'm going to do that again, this time with my metronome. So I just made a little mistake there, so hit record again. There we go. Alright, double click. Let me zoom in a bit and quantize. Also, I've recorded more than I needed to. I only did 1 bar. Let's get 1 bar. There we go. Okay, so those drums. You could also do cymbals, so maybe every 4 beats add a cymbal. So you could do things with cymbals as well. You could add ostinato, as I showed you with those 2 notes on the strings, some sort of ostinato, and just making sure you've picked instruments that go well together. And then you have a kind of complete composition. So yeah, good luck, see how you get on.